Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today topic is the Battle of Badr. So let's start. The Battle of Badr was the first major battle in Islam. It took place on the 17th of Ramzan in the second year of Hijrah migration to Medina. This battle was fought between the Muslims of Medina and the Quraysh of Mecca. The Quraysh were the enemies of Islam at that time and wanted to stop the message of Islam from spreading. The Muslims were only around 313 in number, while the Quraysh had about 1,000 soldiers. The Muslims had very few weapons and only a few horses and camels. Despite this, they were brave, united, and had strong faith in Allah. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was the leader of the Muslims in this battle. The Quraysh army was strong and well equipped. They were confident that they would win easily, but the Muslims believed that Allah would help them. The night before the battle, the Prophet, peace be upon him, prayed all night, asking Allah for victory. When the battle began, it was very intense. The Muslims fought bravely. Some of the famous Muslim fighters in the battle were Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Hamza radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu. The angels also helped the Muslims during the battle as mentioned in the Holy Quran. Many leaders of the Quraysh were killed in the battle, including Abu Jahl, who was a strong enemy of Islam. The Muslims captured many Quraysh fighters as prisoners. The Prophet, peace be upon him, treated the prisoners kindly and with respect. This victory was a turning point in Islamic history. It gave strength and hope to the Muslims. It showed that the faith, courage, and unity, even small group, could succeed. The victory at Badr made Islam stronger and gave Muslim confidence. The Battle of Badr also taught Muslims many lessons. It showed that importance of trusting Allah, being patient, and standing for truth. It also showed the value of leadership and planning. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, led the Muslims with wisdom and care. After the battle, the Muslims returned to Medina with honor and joy. The people of Medina welcomed them warmly. The Quraysh were shocked by their defeat. This battle proved that truth is always more powerful than falsehood. Even today, the Battle of Badr is remembered with a great respect in the Muslims world. It is a sign of Allah's help and support for the believers. The Muslims did not fight for wealth or land, but to protect their faith and their right to live freely. The Battle of Badr is a shining example of bravery, faith, and unity. It reminds us that with Allah's help, anything is possible. It is one of the greatest events in Islamic history and will always be remembered by Muslims around the world.